As the water passes through the compressor, it is converted to a temperature that can generate electricity. The hot water generated by the compressor increases in temperature as it passes through the graphene-coated ceramic heating element. When cold and hot water pass through an electrical generator, using a Peltier element, electricity is generated. In summer, cold water can be used for cooling. By using the cold water generated through this process as a refrigerant, there is no need for an outdoor unit, and it is environmentally friendly as no hot air or vaporized water is generated. In winter, hot water can be used for heating. Electricity produced by power generation devices can be converted into electricity required for operation, which can drastically reduce maintenance costs. The electricity produced can be stored and used in a separate storage device such as ESS.